love them.
Those blue ones match your dress.
Oh, yeah, and for my feet. And look. It's so cool, Mom.
So cool, babe.
These are my favorite.
They're your favorite?
Mike, do you need help?
No, I'm good.
Did you say thank you to Great Granny?
Thank you, Great Granny.
I think it's on the wrong foot, baby. Switch feet.
So I was holding.
I think it's lemonade.
This is gonna
Okay.
fit. And this is gonna fit.
Oh my
I
goodness.
split them.
That's awesome. Okay, we want to try them out?
And this, Mike, I got special you shoes. And these your shoes, Mike.
My shoes? My shoes? No,
You wear them to the office.
no, these aren't for me.
Just try them on.
Try them on.
Wear them to the office. I dare you.
Okay.
She got you special shoes, Mike.
Me?
Yeah.
Let me try. Oh, it's too fit. Too fit.
And look
Sorry.
at these shoes, guys.
Oh, those have big purple jewel.
Beautiful.
Ooh. Ow. These
Those
are
are like
hard.
those are like Sophia ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And these are Sophia's.
Yeah.
I got them there. I will have shoes on. So cool. And then these are Elsa ones.
And the white ones, which ones are the white ones?
Look. Watch me.
White ones are Cinderella.
Watch. Look, it's my Cinderella.
Oh, wrong foot, baby. Oh, wait, no. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait. Or is that the wrong foot? No, you got that right. You got that right. Sorry, go ahead. That's right. Is it? I can't tell.
Let's try those ones.
No.
These are soft ones.
Those are soft ones. I don't even know which ones are my favorite. They're so awesome.
You want to change them? You want to change them, Sky?
Sure.
You want to change them, guys?
Yeah.
Hmm. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. It's no more. It's no more.
That's it.
That's great.
Pink, purple, white, purple, white.
No.
That's like
Blue.
blue.
A blue pair, and a purple pair, and a white pair, and a pink pair. Wow.
These are cool. These are cool.
They're super cool.
These are soft ones.